There we go. All right, so we're over here at the fire truck. Again, we're getting ready to set up the wiring so that way we get battery to ignition, to the starter relay, starter, coils, so that way we can get it fired up. That's the goal this week. Hopefully tomorrow. We have a couple different objects that we want to get fired up, and this is one of them. So the fire truck, let's go ahead and flip. Picked up some 2-gauge battery wire, 12 feet of that, so that should get me to the solenoids. I don't know why I got so much ground wire. If anything, I can get some electrical tape and paint that red. Okay, and then just some standard automotive wire. Got some new connectors, a kill switch that was recommended to get, and I have no idea what's in this one. Let's see here. Switch. Oh, ignition switch. Let me get back over here. The key to switch. So between that, this one, and this one, I should get it started. Now, on the diagram, it is a 12-volt system. I had it wrong. So on the diagram, it is a 12-volt system. I had it wrong. I was looking at something else. I'll throw up the pictures in here. But it is a 12-volt system with a positive ground. The consistency of most people that have been talking with me is it will not affect the alternator. The starter. It won't matter. It will spin only in one way. So we'll find out. Comment below if you disagree. So once again, right back there. Okay. And then it comes up to these two babies. And so my guess is that's unit 1, unit 2 for the starter relay. So if there's a failure in the relay, that's available. Down to the starter. For some reason in my head, I thought if we had 2 relays, I would actually have 2 starters. That doesn't seem to be the case. Fuel pump sitting way down in there and stuff like that. So we'll get all that taken care of. All right. Anything else in regards to this fire truck and getting it taken care of? But yeah, that's where we're at. Please, continue to help out. It's a project I'm working with the students. The objective of this fire truck is to enter it in the American Great Race, to race across country. Really wanted to do it this summer of 24, but they're doing from Kentucky to Maine, and that is just too far to get the truck to Kentucky and then get it back from Maine. So we're hoping that they'll do one closer. What I would love is a Route 66 from Chicago to LA, the best you can get, because obviously it's not there the whole way. So again, thank you so much for everybody that's helping me. Please keep giving that feedback. This truck definitely predates anything that I have typically worked with. The pump is mostly out of there. I know that's kind of depressing for a lot of you, but we have no need for it, nor will we ever hook up to a hydrant. So if you need some parts off of it, give me a call. We will be putting all of the gauges and levers back, so that way if you walk up, it will act physically as if you were to grab a lever or twist a knob. So when we're at a car show, little kids can grab it, and what will cause is lights to blink, water to squirt out of places, kind of like a flower. Just have fun. There's the beauty. So, all right, give me what you can. Thank you very much, everyone.